Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install IBO player on mobile. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you need any IPTV subscription, you can contact me at WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number available in the video description. Let's start the video. First open Google or Chrome and search for IBO player. After that, click on IBO player official website. Wait for 5 seconds. Then click on three dots, click on downloads, scroll down. Here you can see apps for Android, Windows OS and others. To download for Android, click on download now. Now you can see that the IBO player is starting downloading. After that, install it and open it. Now you can see that IBO player starting interface. Tap continue to enter the home page of app. Now you can see the IBO player home page. To add your playlist, click on M3U. Then wait for 5 seconds. The app shows device key and device ID. To add your playlist, share it with your IPTV subscription provider and add your playlist. You can also add extreme codes. Enter any name, URL, username and password to add your playlist. Now I add my playlist. Now you can see that my playlist is added. Thanks for watching, and if you need any IPTV subscription, you can contact me at WhatsApp.